going. What am I gonna do, quit? That's not an option. You gotta keep on keeping on. Life's a garden, dig it? You make it work for you. You never give up, man. That's my philosophy.
Well, today's episode we're doing something totally different. No, not really. Another floor patch. So, marked it all out. I'm going to cut the whole lot out and make a new piece and slip right back in there. And a little bit on the inner seal. Again, it's just a small amount, not a problem. Down in the corner. So I'm going to knock this out, then we'll move on to the next bit, which is a little bit different. Blind man be glad to see that. So when I first started this project and thought of recording it, I didn't actually realise that there was that much rust repair to do on this, and I've had to take the rear door off on the passenger side. Bottom of the A pillar is gone, 2 areas, so I'm going to have to cut this out, and it's also gone in the door shut, which is double skinned. Some of the skin left there. So I guess get the wire wheel in there and see what's left after we've given it a clean back. Right, let's get it done. Alright, so this bit will pop back in. It's just a little plate that I made to go in. Support plate in between the inner and outer pillar. Face is all packed up in there. I'm just going to run the grinder over these welds, take these down, make them nice and flat, and then I'm going to start by filling in this piece. Then we'll move on to the drop and cut that piece of rot out, and yeah, so I'll be back when I've put this filler piece in. Alright, got this plate tacked in here, got some holes drilled to spot weld it in. So earlier on we put some tape on here to get this angle where it flows down. I'll try and do this with one hand. So that is the angle of the plate that runs down in here. So I've got this piece of plate that I've cut and basically shaped slightly, cut to length. So now when you offer up, it's gonna butt up like that, and then if we check this, you can see it's almost perfect on that line. So we know that's where that's got to be. Once we've got this welded in, I'll then make a piece to go over this up to the end and follow it along the sill line and put a slight bevel on this edge, just so it keeps the rough shape. Like I said, it's not going to be factory, but it's going to be close enough. And to be honest, you know, I'm not a a bodywork expert and just doing this as and how I can. So I'm gonna pop some weld into this and I'll be back. Tell me you've been doing rust repairs without telling me you've been doing rust repairs. Good job, Ford. God damn it. Next bit I want to tackle is this piece in the corner of the roof here, where the screen sits. The rubber sits literally along this line, but we got the welder and everything out. Might as well cut that out, make a piece, pop that back in. We won't have to worry about it in a couple of years' time. Oh, I guess I should have checked the wiring loom first. That's fine. I mean, you don't need wiring anyway. Damn it. It's alright. It's just brakes, fuel system, a little bit of paintwork, bit of polishing. Oh, yeah. No, it's not just brakes and fuel system. Why? Oh, wow. I mean, that's normal, isn't it? Lightweight, better MPG. No, it's rotten. Right, this might look a little bit of a mess, but I've got a bit of a plan going on. So I've cut the second skin, which is basically the inside tailgate floor, and I've left in the second skin. So I'm gonna literally put a new piece of flooring in all the way around here, and then I'll get underneath and I'll cut this piece out and weld a nice new piece up into there. Same with this bit. I'll just chuck some thick zinc primer in there and some wax oil, so in future when condensation runs down it can go out the hole and it's not going to sit in here like it has before and create a little rock pond as it is. So back and I've got this bit done. Okay, gonna wrap this video up here. This is a lot of this footage was 6 months in the making. I'm a bit further on than what you can see in the video. So the next video I post, I think, is going to be more of a slideshow with updated pictures and the progress as to where it is now. And want to thank you for taking the time to watch the video, and also want to say thanks to some of the people that have helped or been involved along the way. My mate Stuart, Sean from Havoc Motors, the guys at JR Car Spares in Ringwood. They've all helped out one way or another. My mate Alex. So anyway, I hope you all enjoyed what you've seen so far. I will try to get better. It's kind of awkward just talking to yourself. It's all a bit of a learning curve, but anyway, I've got more camera equipment, I've got some more lighting to put up, so hopefully future content will be a bit better. Anyway, thanks for watching. like, comment, subscribe and all that stuff. I'm on Instagram, Country Metal UK, TikTok, and I will do a Facebook page at some point. We'll be starting a new project soon, which isn't Ford. It's a bit unusual, well, for us limeys anyway. Yeah, so bit of a rare bird, but that's something else. Anyway, thanks for watching.